get it? Look at that. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah, look at that. Isn't that pretty? So am I. But I'm not on the camera. There we go. Jones.
Jones
That's Squaw
Campground in Squaw Lake.
That's discrimination having that up there, and you change it.
So that's the picture I took was of T.K. Jones campground.
Right. This is 14 days down. If I remember right, this said it's 14 days down the bottom of the lake. And you gotta have a permit for the lake.
So that over there is Squaw Lake.
Warning, stay clear of Imperial Dam. The treacherous is friendly, dangerous spillway. It'll suck you in there fast. And then we got boat ramp, beach area use,
They use
area,
only.
and trailer parking. Oh, that's safe use like a hose, I think. No RVs or camp trailers. Parking lot in this parking lot.
Well, if they got a boat behind it, then
Still, you can't. They're talking about Class C's, Class A's, or fifth wheels trailers. They're not talking about like that there. There's my Bronco. But the thing is, if I get a Bronco, that means I got to get a damn trailer to pull it. I got to pull the drive shaft out.
he must be the camp host.
No, it could be. Okay.
Hi.
Additional Village Parking Center, Lake, no watercraft trailers parking, 5 hours, 10 to 6 a.m. Oh, we're going to generate 6 in the morning. Watercraft trailer parking prohibited in this beyond this point. Nice little area. We don't need to go down there, do we?
No, that's Squaw Lake.
That's Squaw Lake. And they're doing some fishing down there. Okay. Up the road we go. Up the road we go. Up the road we go. To the road we go.
Ask him if you have a long-term pass. Can you come down here and camp?
Yeah, but certainly there he is.
Ask him.
She wants to know if we got a long-term pass, stay pass.
Yeah.
Can we camp down here or no?
No. You
Okay.
can come down and use it for day use,
Okay.
but you have to camp up on it.
Okay, because we seen them trailers on there, that's what I was wondering.
What?
That
Campers.
camper trailer down there, and
Yeah.
that's what I was wondering, and just come down for a day.
Yeah, you can come down for a day
Right.
and use whatever bathrooms or whatever, or swim or whatever you want to do.
Okay.
But the only stipulation is that you have to camp up there.
Oh, okay. We're just wondering.
Yeah.
We're new down here, so we're checking everything out.
Well, that's good. That's what it's all about.
This is the first time we've ever been over here.
Oh, you haven't?
Yeah, we never came to Yuma. We always stayed up north.
Oh. Yeah.
We're from Mesa, Phoenix area.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, we're from there, and we saw that we were going to travel, and COVID-19 screwed everything over. Now they're opening it up.
Yeah.
I said, let's go to Yuma, check it out.
Yeah.
Last time I was here was about 50 years ago in a one-horse town.
Yeah. A lot has changed since then, but no, yeah, you have all the privileges here, but you just can't
Yeah, I thought that you can stay for like 14 days or something.
Well, that's a different permit.
Oh, okay,
You can either buy a daily one.
okay.
That's $15 a night.
Right.
Otherwise, we have for here, North Shore and South Shore, Oxbow. You can use it at Quartzsite, but you got to stay in the free area. But you can fill up with water and dump up to Quartzsite. Down here, it's North Shore, South Shore, Oxbow, which is up by Blight. It's $75 for a whole year. Then you can stay 14 days and leave for 14 days.
Right.
Or you can use it every day for like days. All
Yeah.
year round.
Okay, let him know that he's being recorded.
If you don't mind moving every 2 weeks, this is the cheapest road. Up there it's $180 for 7 months.
Yeah.
But you don't have to move.
Right. Yeah, we kind of figured out, oh, we're recording anyway, so I'm gonna, we're
Your
recording.
picture isn't there, but your voice is going on it.
Oh, okay.
No, we might have hit him on the way down, coming
that
up.
might have been.
But, yeah,
No
we're
problem.
just checking that out and everything. This Ponto's,